Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rich Life, Rich Way. I hope you all are staying safe at your home in this pandemic time and taking care of your family by spreading your love. Friends, in this video I will be showing some common indoor house plants which are very easy to care and maintain. So without any further ado, let's start today's video with our first all-time favorite money plant, also known as golden pothos. Friends, you can find this plant in almost every household. It is so easy to grow that it can flourish well even in small bottles filled with water and can decorate your interiors and give it a greener look. All you have to do is change the water every third day and water it less for its good growth if placed in pots. And if you want to have its big leaves, then always remember to tuck its strings with a moss stick. And next, common indoor house plant is Syngonium. See friends, this is also known as arrowhead plant because of its leaves shaped as arrow. Friends, this is also a very hardy plant and comes in many sizes and variety. It has same care requirements as money plant and looks beautiful placed in pots and hanging planters. This plant grows very fast in summer season and can be easily propagated through stem cutting. In fact, it's one of the best plants to grow for beginners. And next common indoor house plant which I am showing you is aloe vera friends. This plant is also a very hardy plant. Once you give it a place in your garden, it will not leave you soon. Just have a look on its green fleshy leaves with white spots and see the small pups growing so well. Friends, this plant has medicinal value and in my opinion, it should be a necessary house plant as the gel stored in its leaves can heal the burn sensations and also is good for our skin. This plant is also very easy to care. All you have to remember is water when you see the soil dry up to 3 inches. Also, if you want your plant to grow green, then place it in bright light spot, friends. And next indoor plant on my list is Starlight ficus, friends. It has beautiful variegated leaves and is an eye catcher among other green plants. Leaves of this plant looks like shiny plastic. I'll not say much as I have already uploaded a detailed video on it. You can check it out on my channel. But main care tip to remember is keep pinching the plant and water only when soil seems dry up to 1 inches. And now, next indoor plant you are seeing on the screen is red colored varieties of Dracaena plant. The one I'm showing you is Mahatma Dracaena with beautiful dark red long leaves. Friends, Dracaenas are mostly light for their stem structure. As you can see, their stem has beautiful lines on them which gives them the look of old bonsai. And as the plant grows older, it becomes more and more attractive. All you have to remember for their care is they love moist soil but not soggy. Here I am having 3 varieties of Dracaena in a single pot. So friends, next indoor plant you are seeing is Boston fern. With beautiful cutwork leaves, so green and different, this houseplant should also be added in your collection for their unusual leaves. This plant thrives in indirect light and loves humid and moist conditions, so keep misting them twice for their healthy growth in summers. Now let's move on to our next indoor plant commonly known as snake plant, which is a great air purifier plant recommended by NASA. Friends, this plant comes in many varieties of sizes like dwarf, small, medium and long. They are one of the best plants to place them in your bedrooms as they require very less amount of bright light and loves less watering, so they are very easy to care and adds a class to your home. Next on my list is spider plant. This is also an indoor air purifier plant and should be added to your list as it's very easy to grow plant for beginners and requires water only when its soil dries completely. But remember, It loves bright indirect light. So next indoor plant I'll show you is golden dust croton. Friends, just see the yellow and green leaves. Aren't they beautiful? Who needs flower in their garden when you have varieties of crotons growing in your indoors? It has beauty of its own and requires minimum care. Just remember to keep its soil moist, never let it dry in summers. Now let's move on to another beautiful plant. Yes friends, this plant is commonly known as Dieffenbachia and also called as dumb cane. It is very dear to me as my father gifted this plant on my birthday. Just see its long and broad variegated leaves. They look very attractive. If placed on entrances, you can easily find them in malls and offices. This plant is easily propagated through its stem cuttings and produces its bulbs quite often and fills the pot easily. All you have to remember is water when you feel upper layer of soil dry. And here comes another spidey of my garden that I showed you earlier. So these were the top 10 indoor plants to have in your garden. I hope you like my collection. If so, do tell me in the comment box below. We'll come up with some more indoor plant collection for you soon. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Until we meet again, happy gardening!